The stylish LG SoundPlate is easy to set up and easy to use. Let's take a look at the remote control. The LAP240 and LAP340 models arrive with this streamlined remote, which includes all of the basic functions you'll need. In addition to power, you'll see volume up and down. This is mute. And these two buttons allow you to switch between the two different inputs, digital optical wired from the TV and Bluetooth wireless, which will work with most recent smartphones and tablets. Selecting Cinema Sound boosts the bass and surround channels for a more exciting sound experience. The front panel of the 240 and 340 contain red, orange, green, and white LED lights that will appear occasionally to let you know the status of your SoundPlate. Check page 7 of your owner's manual for a complete listing of what these handy signals mean. The 240 and 340 also have this auto power switch on the back panel. If auto power is switched on, the SoundPlate will turn on automatically when it detects sound from the TV via the optical cable, and will turn off automatically too when there's no audio. Our LAB540 model SoundPlate has an integrated Blu-ray disc player with LG Smart TV functionality, so it includes a more sophisticated remote. These white buttons control playback. Beneath these are comprehensive sound controls, and these directional arrows will navigate you through the Smart TV menus. To access Smart TV, just press the blue Home button. There's even a section here at the bottom of the remote with common controls for most LG televisions. And they work right out of the box, with no programming needed. The 540 also works with the LG TV Remote app, which is available as a free Android or iOS download to turn select devices into touchscreen remote controls. When streaming music from your smartphone, you can use the phone itself to control playback of songs you've stored on the phone, as well as streaming music like Pandora and Spotify. The front panel of the 540 also proves clear, friendly text, such as song titles and the current status of your SoundPlate, so you'll always be in control even when the TV is turned off. So as you see, there's no shortage of options for controlling the LG SoundPlate.